Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to make corn chowder with bacon. First, we'll start by rendering about 8 ounces of bacon until it's wonderfully crispy. Once done, remove the bacon and set it aside for later. Make sure to leave approximately 2 tablespoons of that delicious rendered bacon fat in your pot. This flavorful fat will be the perfect foundation for building our incredible chowder base. Now let's build our flavor base. In the reserved bacon fat, sauté 1 cup of chopped onion and 1 cup of diced celery. Cook these aromatics until they are tender, which usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes. Next, stir in 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, cooking for 1 minute to create a roux. Then, gradually whisk in 4 cups of chicken or vegetable broth, ensuring a smooth consistency. It's time to add the star of our dish, the corn. Incorporate 4 cups of fresh or frozen corn kernels into the simmering broth. For that signature creamy texture, stir in 2 cups of whole milk and 1 cup of rich, heavy cream. Bring the chowder to a gentle simmer, making sure to stir it occasionally to prevent sticking. Let it cook for about 10 to 15 minutes, allowing it to thicken beautifully. Almost there. Now, taste your delicious corn chowder and season it generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper to your liking. Just before serving, stir in that wonderful crispy, crumbled bacon we prepared earlier. For a fresh touch, you can garnish each bowl with some fresh chopped chives or parsley. Serve this warm, comforting, and hearty meal to your family and friends, and enjoy every spoonful.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.